Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be trying out the hack we are seeing on Instagram and TikTok these days. This hack is about putting your blush underneath your foundation using a cream blush, or you can use a lipstick as well. I loved how it turned out on my face personally. It was a very beautiful, natural looking flush on my face. So let's try this out together. For priming my face today, I'm going to be using e.l.f.'s Luminous Putty Primer. Just gonna take a little bit of it and I'm gonna put it all over my face. This is gonna bring that shine and glow on your face. So just rubbing it into my fingers and then applying it all over my face, especially on my T-zone area, so that it makes my pores disappear. So next step in this makeup routine is using either a cream blush or lipstick. Most of them use lipstick and I don't have cream blush, so I'm gonna use lipstick as well. I'm gonna use two lipsticks because I feel like this one is way too lighter for this hack. So this one is from the Body Shop. It's called Matte Liquid Lip Liquid and it's in the shade Nairobi 34, and this one is from NYX. It's called Soft Matte Lip Cream and it's in the shade Monte Carlo. I'm just gonna use a little bit on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose as well. I'm gonna use both of them just side by side. I'm gonna use a little bit more for the pink color because it's lighter and it's gonna tone down the redness. And next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna blend it onto my skin. And if you feel like you need more, you can always go in with more because this is gonna tame down once you put on the foundation. After I'm done with my blush, I'm going to move on to cream contouring, and for that I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to just apply the contour just like usual. So right on my cheek dips and then a little bit on my forehead because my forehead is already very small, and then on my nose, on sides of my nose, under my nose, and then if there is any other place you want it to be. So basically the idea with the cream contour is that you don't have to blend it fully, just blend it very lightly so that it's still showable, the contour, but it's not very harsh. So just blend it. I'm using the same brush I used for the cream contours. After contouring my face and using the blush, I'm gonna move on to my foundation and my concealer. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using my forever favorite Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and it's in the shade 240. And I'm gonna use the concealer from Fenty Beauty as well. This is Instant Retouch Concealer and this is in the shade 230. So first I'm gonna put concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna make a triangle on the inner corner of my eyes, and then I'm gonna make a small wing on the outer corner, and also I'm gonna just go a little bit on my cheeks just to cover the color nicely. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my eye as well. You can put the concealer just the way you like it. I like it better this way because I feel like if I put the whole triangle, my under eyes look very heavy and cakey after some time. And now I'm gonna move on to foundation. For my foundation, I'm gonna take few pumps, maybe two, and I'm just gonna apply it with my foundation brush first, all over my face, just very lightly. This is just the application. After that, I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend everything in. And now I'm going to take the damp beauty blender and I'm just going to start blending my foundation and my concealer. I'm going to make sure that my under eyes are well blended so that they do not look cakey or the wrinkles don't show up. And also my nose, as we have put the blush and contour underneath our foundation, so we have to be very careful when we are applying our foundation and our concealer so that there are no harsh lines left. It doesn't have to be full coverage, just a medium coverage would work, but if it's light coverage it would be too less. So I'm just going to use it on both sides. And then blending properly under eyes, and then also do not forget to blend the contour that we did on jawline. So I'm just gonna quickly do that as well. And also do not forget your neck, around your nose, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my face. So now I'm gonna use my face powder. I'm using one from Milk Makeup, and then I'm gonna just put it under my eyes. Just leave it for a few seconds, and then I'm just gonna brush it up. Okay, and now I'm gonna use my fluffy brush and just brush off the powder. I feel like I need a little bit more warmth on my face, so I'm gonna use a bronzer. The bronzer I'm using is from Maybelline. It's called City Bronzer. And I'm just gonna use my angular brush. I'm just gonna lightly bronze my face. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but I really wanted to give my face a little bit more warmth and more dimension because it was looking very pink. So I'm gonna do it on both sides, and I'm gonna move into my hairline, and I'm just gonna do it on my jawline as well and a little bit on my forehead. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.